goes along. You wanna hear my song, so come to my show. Oh, welcome to my kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free. Oh.
Hey, darlings. Hey, mira eso. It's Soraya's Vida with Soraya's Fierce Kitchen and Soraya's Fierce Cooking Show. Darlings, I just want to say hello. And I'm wishing you all a really good day, and I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to check in a little bit, you know, that's what everybody says when they do a video, just checking in. But I did. I just came back from helping out some new friends of mine here in California that are into nutrition and weight loss and all of that, and they just need a little bit of support with their project. So I'm helping them out, and they're really nice. And it's allowing me actually to present myself beyond the food stand, beyond the cooking show, with these ladies that have a similar mindset about nutrition and weight loss like I do, which is always a good thing, right? So we're in the same tribe, and they're really pretty, and everybody's always younger than me. They're close to my age, but I'm still older, but that's not a big deal. The point is that it feels really good to kind of connect with other ladies that are into the nutrition field. They're not transgender, they're cisgender. Their clients are cisgender mainly. So it's kind of interesting, right? It's kind of interesting, right? And it's interesting for me because I'm really, really grateful, because it allows a place for me as a transgender Latina who's brand new, like a Madonna song, like a virgin, integrating into other workspaces, places beyond, you know, my cooking show is really, you know, my own zone, is real comfortable, and I appreciate that. The farmer's market too is kind of my own zone, and I appreciate that. I'm really grateful. And this kind of just extends my vision of being in a service industry, which I'm already in, which is the service industry that I've created for myself, but to actually be in someone else's environment and help them out and help them with their clients, right? So it's really interesting to see, you know, feedback and how I'm responding, you know, because it's not, you know, it's not my bubble, you know, my safe little bubble of the cooking show. Or my food stand, not that it's not unsafe, but you know, anything new, right? You're challenging your comfort zone, you're challenging your beliefs. And then I think when you're LGBTQ, you know, you may be concerned, you know, about how people are going to respond. Are they going to accept me as a messenger for these people that are not transgender, you know, all that stuff. Which I don't want to minimize those thoughts, because they're very real, you know, when you're transgender and you're coming out, right? On a lot of levels, social, economically, with employment. I'm putting myself out there. So, you know, there's always, you know, you're like, oh my God, how's it going to be? And, you know, my look, I'm not passing 100%, you know, my facial hair, which is something I want to talk about in this video. You know, I feel like my facial hair, especially my mustache, which I've gotten some electrolysis done on it, I feel like it's just popping out of the box, like. And I don't want to do too much research on this, but I don't want to even say it, because I really am enjoying the effects of progesterone, because it is a bioidentical component into my HRT therapy with my estrogen, which actually today, Saturday, is my estrogen day, and Saturdays and Tuesdays. I take my injections twice a week. We can go into another conversation about that too. I want to go back to the progesterone. So I'm not going to like look it up, does progesterone do this, what's the side effect? I like it. I do want to say about progesterone that the first doctor who prescribed it, oral, right? It's an oral capsule. I wasn't having great results with it. I was sleeping well, but I was fighting with everybody in my dreams. I'm not going to say anything else. So something was going on. And I didn't like that, because I felt like I was exhausted when I got up, because I was fighting with everybody while I was in a deep REM. It's so funny. So I told my doctor, listen, I can't do this anymore. Like, this progesterone's got me not aggressive during the day, but in my night time, I'm beating up my brother, my father, Mr. DeCourcy in 5th grade. I'm beating everybody up. I'm catching up. So I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it. So she's like, okay, well, sorry guys. I hope my really good friends are not watching this, but she goes, well, try to take it anally. I was like, what? This is gonna be a really big video. Not that my anus is big. It is now actually. My cheeks are, but not because I'm taking progesterone up my culo. But sorry guys. Look, if you're a transgender and M to F, then this information might help you. So she goes, you know, take it anally. I'm like, what, girl? She goes, just take it anally. You know, get a little lube or whatever you need. Tuck it in. I was like, okay. And I'm gonna be really honest, I've been very detached to my body anyway because of my gender dysphoria. And as a gay man, I didn't identify with my anus in that way of penetration, inserting. No, that just wasn't it. Very rarely would I have any desire. So when the doctor was like, take it anally, I was like, but then I thought about it now that I'm older too, and I'm like, you know, I remember there was a book about getting in touch with your anus kind of thing. And it really said this, you know, like you really need to explore it and massage it and, you know, get to know the muscles and how it works. And I was like, yeah, that sounds like gross. Having anything, you know, it's like that. No, not a bottom, not a top either. I eat it. So when she said that, I was like, you know what, I think it's time, since I have a butt now from surgery and HRT, or the estrogen, and the progesterone has got, especially on my breasts, and I've got curves. I'm really happy. Dr. C-Mac, I got really chiseled it in, nice, and then HRT is helping, right? Really, it looks really natural, really great. So I figured, you know, trying the progesterone anally would be a good experiment for me to get acquainted to, you know, that part of my body that I've actually neglected in many ways. You know, I wash it and I use it every day for normal excretion, but you know, there could be some pleasure. I've had 1 or 2 incidences where there was some pleasure with anal penetration, yes. And so I was like, you know, being transgender, you know, I want to be open to like that happening more. Not that that is a prerequisite into being a transgender female. I want to be able to please my partner and all of that, and please myself, really please myself and please my partner. So, you know, it's been cool. So a better result from taking it anally. I just saliva and insert. I guess now since I've gotten used to it, it's easier. So the saliva works. And so I just want to just put that out there, that if progesterone doesn't work for you orally, you get a side effect that you're not comfortable with, maybe similar to mine. I know I have issues, anger issues and all that stuff, just because I'm human, you know, growing up the way I grew up too, you know, so resolving a lot of stuff was well. And so the progesterone now is a lot less of that. Sometimes there's still a lot of confrontation in my dreams, but I'm that type of person anyway, that I'm just working through all this stuff, but I don't want it to be enhanced, especially in my sleep or anyways, because I don't want it. I want peace, love, and happiness. So I feel more at ease with it. But I did hear tinge in the past that progesterone maybe can pop more hair in your face. So I'm not sure. So back to this little JOB. Well, it's not really a JOB. I'm just helping these girls out. It's, you know, it's training for me actually to kind of work with people and for them to, they know I'm transgender and they're accepting me. Don't tell them that I'm so grateful that they're giving me this opportunity. They're letting me help represent them. I think that's cool. It's pretty amazing, you know. So I'm really grateful. Don't tell them that I'm grateful, because I don't want them to know. I don't want them, you know, they don't need that. Anyway, they're just really nice, and I hope it lasts for a bit. So the progesterone, so I just want to go back. If you're having problems with it orally and you're getting a little bad reaction, maybe try it anally. And what else do I want to say? I think that's it. You know, that's it. I haven't been at the food stand for a few weeks because my brother passed away, and then I'm not working for these. Well, I'm not working for them, but I'm not helping them on my farmers market days. But my car had problems. It wouldn't lock. It's just crazy things started happening. I think just also my brother's passing and all that just kind of just drained me, because it just kicked up a lot of stuff for me about my past with him. So I'm a free transgender, I'm a free girl and talking about it. Sorry, it's the truth. So I was taking estrogen twice a week. Went back to my original endocrinologist. He goes, take estrogen once every 2 weeks, injection. I would advise, well, no, everybody's different. I prefer shots twice a week. So I'm taking 12 milligrams on Tuesday, Saturday and Tuesday. And then the other doctor was like, take 20 milligrams every 2 weeks on Saturday. I don't like it. I felt like my nose was getting oily, and it wasn't at all. I felt like my pores already were opening back up. They were kind of getting smaller. So I did some research too online, and I think that, like what my original endocrinologist said, that the steady intake of estrogen is much better than just peak up and then 2 weeks and then you're leveling down, you peak up. I agree with her. So I do feel that the twice a week or once a week is better than every 2 weeks and then this big old injection. So what else can I say? I'm really grateful for this little service position that I'm doing with these ladies, because it's allowing me to be out and about, visible transgender, like more days during the week, which is really good for me to integrate into society and be visible as a transgender woman more, you know, and just be out there and represent, you know, offering my skill and my passion and my services, you know, because I have a lot to offer. And I want to say, God bless my brother, may he rest in peace. I move on, and I have a younger sister that I adore, an older sister who I really care for too, even though we're all crazy. We're all crazy. And then my younger brother, who if he wants to talk to me, he will, when he feels like it, and that's okay too, and I accept that. I just want to say that I'm accepting everybody on their terms, so you want to be nice, I'm nice. You want to be cohesive, I'm cohesive. You want to stay in touch, I'll stay in touch. But if you don't want any of those things, then that's okay. Then I'll find other friends and family that will have a mutual interchange of contact and affection and compassion. It'll be a steady flow, steady like the 2 times a week of the injection of the Estradiol. You get the drift. So give me a steady flow, baby. Give me drip, intravenous, little by little. It's cool. We're doing it. We stay in touch. We support each other. We're there for each other, and we grow, right? And we love. Sorry, there's no cooking today, but again, this is a life recipe too, and progesterone, estrogen talk. Okay. So talk to you soon. This is Soraya's Vida at Soraya's Fierce Kitchen and Soraya's Fierce Cooking Show. Thanks for letting me talk to you, okay? I hope something here helps you. Okay, bye. Take care, bye. Take care, bye.
Welcome to my show, honey. Welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Carrying such a heavy load, honey. Feels like you're all alone. You need a new recipe. Well, I'm the one to see. Tiny roads along you. Wanna hear my song? So welcome to my show. Oh, welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free. Oh.
Hey, darling. No longer